So you might be trying to figure out why, for some reason, your Facebook notifications just aren't working. Now, what does this mean? Well, maybe you have your Facebook account like this, but for some reason, your Facebook, notifications just aren't showing at all. The first thing I'd recommend doing here for the most part is to go through and just try seeing if your notifications inside of your phone are working specifically for Facebook. Make your way over to your phone's settings application, just like this, and you want to go ahead and basically scroll down until you find that notifications tab. So here's that notifications tab right there, and you want to go ahead and tap on it. After tapping on it, what you're going to want to do is you want to scroll down until you find this Facebook option, which is right over here. So tap on Facebook, and then you're going to be able to come into this page. Now, what you're going to want to do here is you just want to go ahead and basically allow notifications, and you just want to go ahead and just let your notifications come through and see if it works. A lot of the times, that's all you're going to have to do. That's pretty much going to go ahead and fix the problem for you. Now, if that doesn't work, another thing you're going to want to try doing is to go through and see if you can update Facebook. So go back into your app store like this, and you want to go through and search for the Facebook app. So search for Facebook just like this, and you want to go ahead and see if this application can be updated. A lot of the times, all you're going to have to do is just wait until the Facebook app is updated, and that's basically all you're going to have to do there as well. If that's still not working, try restarting your phone, but those are kind of the main ways to go and fix it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.